Alright, welcome back to the channel. On this video, we'll be taking a look at shield and tints. We're going to dive right into it right after this. Let's get it. Alright, shield and tints is a highly effective, easy to use, acid-free, neutral pH cleaner. It cleans brake dust, heavy embedded iron contaminants, lime, and phosphorus. And of course, used on the following: factory OEM wheels, aftermarket wheels, vehicle painted body, gel coat, and chrome. Do not use on zinc plated or any aftermarket plated or anodized materials. Alright, Intense is an acid solvent-free formula that is safe to use. After contact with contaminants, Intense will turn a dark purple color, showing its powerful cleaning characteristics. Prior to using shield ceramic coating, use shield Intense for the decontamination process. Alright, as you can see, this product definitely turns purple as soon as it makes contact, in less than 6 seconds if you counted it. And as you can see, this is why I choose this product over a lot of the products on the market. And it was amazing how fast the color change reaction took place. As you can see, it's definitely a color change reaction on the face of the wheels, inside of the barrel of the wheels, all over. So stay tuned, even the brake calipers. So stay tuned, let's get it. Alright, let's take a close look at it, guys. Wow, look at that. My customer just put new brakes on this vehicle, so it had a lot of buildup, I guess, from the new brakes all over the wheels. So stay tuned, stay tuned. Alright, now let's get in here and get these wheels clean. Of course, some agitation may be required. As much buildup was inside of the barrel of the wheels, it definitely needs some agitation, so stay tuned, stay tuned. And these Majestic Solution wheel wheelies, they definitely come in handy, so stay tuned to another video. We'll definitely have one of those coming soon, so stay tuned, let's get it. Alright, and of course I did as little editing to this video as I could, just so you guys can get the full effect of how fast this product actually works. So stay tuned, let's get it. And of course, let me go ahead and kick this thing in hyperlapse so it won't stretch out the video. Let's get it. And with all products, some agitation may be required. Wow, would you take a look at that? Look at everything that's coming off this wheel. Wow. Alright, as you can see, this product looks amazing. Alright, stay tuned to the next video and we'll show you the paint decontamination using shield and tints. And with that, I'm out and I'll see you on the next one. Peace.